I got my car.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be another exciting day. It's Saturday, and my girl's picking up her Model Y. Yeah, today around 4 o'clock. So she's very excited. So we're both excited because we're going to have 2 Model Ys in the family. Yes, this is going to be very, very exciting. Just got to run a little bit of errands this morning, and then we're going to go head out later to go pick up the car, and we're going to show you. We're going to film the pickup. All right, very excited today. Very excited. So we'll see you guys in a bit when we're at Tesla. Oh, when I pick her up. So I'm going to pick her up, find the kids and everybody, and we're all going to go down and go get the car. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, we're here. We picked her up. We got to go get pickup day today.
Yes.
You excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Yeah?
Yeah, of course. I'm
nice.
excited.
So we have another Tesla in the family.
Yes.
Nice.
I'm excited.
And upgrades on that Tesla also coming soon.
Upgrades?
Upgrades. Installs and all that.
All right. Hey, Logan. You excited, Logan?
Yeah. All right, we're just waiting for our kids to get out.
Yes.
And we're going to load them up in here. We're going to go get the van.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys. Where we're going to see them? At the
dealership.
Which dealership?
Tesla.
All right. We're on our way. You excited, sweetheart?
Yes. I'm nervous though. You know.
She's nervous. She's
Stop it. I'm not doing that.
Yep. We're 17 minutes away. Our state of charge on this car is came in full. We got 3/4 of a tank. So
Careful.
yeah, so we got to be there half hour before, so we're going to inspect the car before she actually takes delivery. All right, because we got to inspect the car before you hit the button to take the delivery. Once you take the delivery, anything that you see, you have 3 days to look around.
Okay.
And then they'll, if they have to fix it or whatever, they'll do it.
Bye.
So yeah, so
That's why I brought you along.
I was gonna come no matter what. Yeah, so we're on our way there now in our camper van.
The camper van.
And look who came to visit.
Logan, say hi.
Say hi, Logan.
Woof.
All right, we'll see you guys at Tesla.
Yes, in like 16 minutes.
Yep.
So I feel like you are a little surprised that I got the car.
I am.
Are you?
I am. Because you
didn't
were.
believe it, because
you're a Jeep girl.
Yeah, I am a Jeep girl.
Yeah. Well, we could always get a Jeep.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna get it.
But you fell in love.
That's gonna be our third car.
Yeah, but you fell in love the day that I got it, right?
Yes, I did.
It was nice.
So I feel like I should get it. Why not?
Yeah, why not?
Because we could always get a Jeep.
We could always get a Jeep.
No, we're definitely gonna get it.
Well, next year we'll get a Jeep.
Okay, that sounds good.
But we'll get the Cybertruck first.
Cybertruck?
And then the Jeep.
Alright, whatever.
Or Jeep and then Cybertruck.
Jeep.
And then the Cybertruck.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll do that. We'll do that.
Yeah.
But I am surprised. I am. I was never in a million years was gonna think that
Jeep?
that she was gonna get a Tesla and get rid of the Jeep. But
I did get rid of the Jeep.
Hey, it is. But what about me? I did. I got rid of the BMW.
Yeah. I don't know.
But I've always had BMWs.
Yeah, but I'm always hesitant.
And trucks, yes, that's right.
I'm hesitant about it. So.
Yeah, I did hesitate a lot.
No, I hesitate even more.
Yeah.
But it's done.
It's done now, so now we're on our way to go pick it up. 8 minutes. Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, it's not far.
Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah.
It's right by the mall, probably.
Probably.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you in 8 minutes.
Ciao.
Bye.
Excited? Yes. Yay.
There it is, Tesla.
Oh
look at all the Cybertrucks.
Yeah.
Guys,
oh my
look
God.
At all the Cybertrucks.
They can't see, hon.
Oh, yeah.
We are here.
We are here.
Careful, baby. We are here.
This is a big lot. Where are we parking?
I don't know. Find something.
We're going to find something. Look at all the Cybertrucks. Two?
No, there's a whole row of them.
I see 2.
Right there, Joe.
Yeah, I saw that one and the one in the other parking lot.
Oh, look.
They can't
Okay, now I
see.
I'm
Oh
gonna buy
my.
I'm gonna buy a Cybertruck.
I have a Cybertruck.
All right, where are we parking here?
I have no idea, but go this way, because I don't want to walk that far.
Oh, there's your car right there. There is a lot of Cybertrucks here.
Mhm.
You gonna get one?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Is that the only reason you return in here?
What?
Is that the only reason we went in here?
No, she's picking up a car.
Oh yeah.
I'm picking up my car. No, we just came to look.
You're getting a Cybertruck, right?
Yeah.
Where do we park?
I have no idea.
Go over there, because that's far.
I am
You said they were bad. Now you want one?
I don't know.
Out of roller.
Hello.
Oh, be careful.
No.
Trying to go after the guy.
I know. He's very nosy, this one.
He's a bullpusher like me.
That dog is very nosy.
He's a nosy guy.
That's the Model X.
They flip off. It's insane.
Uh-huh. Come, look.
It's so cool.
Oh my, he has a third row, Anthony. Go to this.
Right here.
We did that. Oh, we got it. I don't know. I think I like the X.
Even the steering wheel.
Wow. Okay, go for it.
Oh my God, I love it.
You love it?
I do. I really do. Wow.
If he wants to try it, get out.
You know, you already drove my Tesla.
Good for you. Nobody's driving my Tesla. Besides Emmanuel, nobody's driving my Tesla. I gotta think about it.
When you get it?
When I get it.
Well, let's watch the Jake Paul fight.
I really like it.
You like it, huh? You guys like this, the Cybertruck?
What?
You could play. Oh my god, no. Stardew Valley.
I think I like this one though. Did you guys look at the X?
X is as cool
Oh, and not like the DeLorean.
Model, yes. Huh?
I'm gonna get it.
I know you're gonna get
as
it.
my favorite.
I'm gonna get the Cybertruck.
You said you're gonna get it. I
I'm
believe
getting
it.
next year.
I believe it.
Gabe. Joey. Haley, you like Teslas? Haley loves Teslas.
Yeah, she was the first one actually, who always says, "This is the car I want."
They always doubted me.
Yes, I know. Now, now we're all getting it.
Now we got one. We got one in the fam.
You know what?
Now we're gonna have two in the fam.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, she was the first one to say, "I want a Tesla. That's the car I want."
That's the first thing I said.
That's the first thing you said.
I was
And
the first person who said that.
Yes, you're gonna be hot with the hat. Let me have the hat.
No.
It's too hot.
No. Who's calling me?
Let them look at you. Who is it, baby? I think I like this one.
You like that?
Mhm. This one is nice. The Model X.
You got the microphone.
Oh.
You
Oh,
excited?
yes, I'm very excited. I can't wait though. I gotta wait. I don't like to wait.
It's okay.
I'm
waited-
like
I
a
waited
whim.
an hour.
Oh, yes, you did.
And it was during the week.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. It's okay. You gotta wait.
Yeah, but I'm starving. That's why.
Like this.
Oh look. This one is somebody's driving it.
We're gonna test drive it. This next week we're gonna test drive it.
Oh.
I gotta do a thumbnail. So stay right there. Go. Stay like that. Stay like that. Stay. All right, good. That'll be a thumbnail.
Hi. You're so pretty. She's driving ring.
Probably was going to talk to us? Probably.
Okay, now. Okay. Okay.
You already have a Tesla, right?
I have.
Yeah, he does.
So then I'll just give you the key and you can do whatever you want.
Well, before we accept it, we'll look at it.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Oh.
you're just gonna sign papers first, and then you can go look at it, and then come back and accept. Yeah.
Come back.
Okay. Where
Yeah,
do
it's
I
gonna be
sign?
Spot number 8.
Spot number 8. Okay.
Where do I sign? I'm
So
sorry.
you're just gonna see if everything is correct.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Babe,
you.
come here.
We're gonna leave the. All right, so we're here. We're ready to do the pickup. What spot is it? Spot 8. Where's the
8.
cards?
She hold it.
Oh, spot 8. Okay.
Yes.
So let's go. We're going to spot 8. You
Yay.
excited, baby?
Yay.
Yeah, and I see it.
Woo.
Already. You see it?
Oh, be careful, honey.
You see it? Oh, look at it. Spot 8. 5, 7. There you go.
Is that 8?
That's it. Go right there. Go.
Oh,
You can't get in. You got to inspect outside first.
outside? Okay, you inspect outside.
Go
Let me,
inside. Yeah,
okay.
hold the door. Get in front of it. Get in front of it.
Oh, look, Anthony.
Yeah, that's New York for you. That's all right. Go.
Merde. Merde, we didn't want that.
Stay.
I got my car.
All right, hold on so we'll look. Hold on so let me look.
Yes, look, baby. My,
All right, so we inspected the whole car. All the panel gaps are good, because back in the days they never aligned.
really?
Yeah, that's why I touched all the panel gaps. So everything is good. The car is perfect. We see
It's
no
beautiful.
scratches.
I love
the
it.
color is amazing. Now we're gonna go tell the kids. You're gonna have to do the acceptance on your phone,
Okay.
and then it opens up your whole car.
Okay, good.
All right, so let's
Yeah.
go in.
Yeah.
We're gonna go in and finalize everything. You have it ready?
Yes.
So
Woo!
we have 2 Teslas in the family.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have a Cybertruck.
Yes. We are.
Yes. Oh, I can't wait.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Let's get the kids.
Let's go get the kids.
All right.
All right, we'll see you in a bit.
Ciao.
No, it's
My son doesn't want to leave the Cybertruck. All right, kids, let's go.
Let's go, children.
Let's go.
Come on, children. Let's go.
Let's go.
You're right.
Close the door. Close the door.
Yes?
You like it, Haley?
Haley always liked
Yeah.
it, so.
Happy that we left. Oh, who cares?
That we're gone, so they can finally go in there.
We were playing games. You were there so long. That's
Here, Joe.
Well, I gotta carry him. Come on.
okay. Are you guys ready? I am. Yes.
Did you get a Cybertruck?
I got a Cybertruck.
You're dreaming right now.
All right. Ow. All right. Ready? Go ahead, bud. Tell him.
I'm ready.
Go ahead.
We're here.
Yeah. Guess who got it? Me.
You like it?
Mommy got it. Yeah.
Yeah. You like it?
Oh wow, this is a nice car.
Everything is set up. We set it up to her specs. Okay. Now we're going for the first drive. And where are we going?
Outback.
We're gonna go eat because we're all starving. All right, babe. Congratulations, sweetheart, on your new car. Congratulations. Welcome to the Tesla fam.
Yes.
All right.
The kids are happy.
Yep. Okay. So. All right. Everything looks good. We're on our way out of here. She picked up the car. Everything is great, and we're going to go eat. I'll see you guys in a bit.
She almost did turn on drive.
She's all happy. This is good. All right, we're gonna turn here. She's all happy.
Oh, you gotta wait. Okay, Logan, you're good. Here's your bit chair.
I'm home. I don't have the microphone.
It's okay. Oh, I need that.
Okay, it's on my
So go ahead. So how do you like it so far?
I love it. My daughter loves it. My son loves it, I think.
I love it.
But I love it.
Yeah,
it's so
good.
smooth. Haley said it's very smooth.
It is.
Yeah. I love it.
All right. Well. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thank
If
you.
you're new here, consider subscribing and comment below. And see you on the next one.
Yes. Ciao.
Bye.